Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this very quick video and tutorial, I will show you how to fix purchase not available in Brawl Stars. So basically you need to open up your phone's settings. You need to go to a certain setting that is called, I believe, screen time. After that, in screen time, you just want to go to in-app purchases. Then you just want to go into the content and privacy restrictions. As you can see, it's toggled on. If it's toggled off, just toggle it on, turn it on, and then just go to allowed apps. And then if you want to allow or disallow, in our case it's allow in-app purchases for Brawl Stars. So in this list right here in the allowed apps, you just need to find Brawl Stars, your game, and make sure that this slider is on. And after that, you shouldn't have any issues making in-app purchases in Brawl Stars. Hopefully this helped, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like the video. I will see you next time.